Hey everybody, today I'm reviewing the EKSA GT1 Cobra True Wireless Gaming Earbuds. So I received these almost 2 months before and I've been using them throughout this time so that I can deliver an in-depth review. So in this video we'll go through some phases. First we'll see what comes in the package, then we'll see design and build quality of the GT1, how they work, comfortability, sound test, and in the end, of course, I'll share with you my thoughts. So let's see what comes in the box first, which by the way shipped really quick, and I thank the EKSA staff for making this review. So in the box you will find the manual, of course. It is two-sided and explains everything you need. We get of course the EKSA GT1 carrying case in this Cobra head form, where earbuds sit and charge in the same time. It uses Type-C interface for recharging, hence they ship a short USB Type-C to Type-A charging cable as well. And we get 2 extra silicone ear tips in different sizes. Regarding the specs, EKSA GT1 are true wireless earbuds that use Bluetooth 5.0 chip, frequency response 20 Hz up to 20 kHz, have 10mm driver size, have a built-in mic, impedance is set at 32 ohms, meaning it works great on all kinds of devices, be that tablet, smartphone, laptop, it doesn't matter. Sensitivity 101 dB, operating range up to 10-meter distance, latency is set ultra low at just 38 milliseconds, battery life in total playtime it offers 36 hours. Now, earbuds themselves can hold up to 6 hours and can be recharged 5 more times for a total of 36 hours in the long run. And they charge in the case itself through these magnetic pins, and the case itself uses USB Type-C for charging. And on top of that, they are splash-proof rated with IPX4. And now let's talk a little bit about the design and build quality, because this is one of EKSA's strongest points, the aesthetics. Now at the first glance, the EKSA GT1 has the perfect gaming look. The case resembles the Cobra head, and this shape fits the gaming world perfectly. What a great idea by EKSA stuff. Now, the box is all colored in black with a mix between opaque and glossy materials, and you know, it simply looks attractive. I love the nice blue RGB lighting that illuminates in the sides of the case, which also indicates the battery life of the case. Now, the build quality, well, it's made of plastic. It feels cheap, at least in comparison to my pricey Galaxy Buds Pro carrying case that still is made in plastic but has a thicker and harder composition while coated also very nicely. The one on the EKSA is more vulnerable to scratches or other signs of wear in comparison to the Galaxy Buds Pro being more durable in the long term. But you know, price justifies that, because this cost higher than 150 euros and this is just 44 euros right now. Now, opening the case, we have a look at the earbuds. Now, the case from the inside is crafted very well, so that the earbuds sit perfectly in place. Earbuds stay put through these 2 magnetic pins that you see, and you know, they don't fall off their housing even if you wiggle the case like this while being opened. I mean, this magnet really do a great job at holding firmly the earbuds into place. In overall, design gets all the points for me. Let's see now how to connect the EKSA GT1 correctly with your smartphone. Now, earbuds leave first the case, and right after that you can turn on the Bluetooth on your smartphone. Once the GT1 appears on screen, you tap on that and they should connect instantly. Now your EKSA GT1 earbuds will connect anytime automatically the moment you turn on your Bluetooth. Connected. And now let's talk a little bit about the comfort. So, the EKSA GT1 sit great on ear. They don't move, I would say, great for gym addicts, great for other activities such as gaming, traveling, strolling or watching movies. I mean, even running, since they are rated with IPX4. They do ship with a couple of different tips sizes, small, medium and large, medium being put in the first place. Use the same material, they are made of silicone, and looking at the composition, not being very thick or very thin, being something in the middle, this should offer good bass, and it does actually offer great bass, also thanks to the 10mm drivers. Now, these earbuds do isolate the surroundings very well, because are made for an immersive touch with gaming or music. About the touch control, now, 1 tap you can play, pause the music or call, answer a phone. 2 taps will toggle between gaming or music mode. You can do either side, it doesn't matter. You can also reject a call with 2 taps. Now 3 taps will wake up the voice assistant, and press holding for 3 seconds will turn off the earbud, and 2 seconds will turn it on again. Now if you press hold for 10 seconds, it will just clear the pairing mode, and then it will start again. The game mode and music mode, what is the difference here? Because you can toggle between the two. Now the big difference, without talking too much, is a slight equalizer factor. I mean, you won't notice a huge difference when switching modes, so you can either leave it to wherever you want. To change modes, you need to tap twice, as I said before. Now, audio quality in general is enjoyable. Trebles and mids sound good to me, and I find lows to get emphasized more, which is a crucial factor for gaming, but also great for music with bass. And now let's have a small talk about the latency. The GT1 offers ultra low latency at 38 milliseconds. So the question is, what is latency first of all? Right, so latency plays a very crucial factor for avoiding syncing issues with audio and video. The lower it is, the better. Video and audio go together. The higher the latency is, more audio delay as it plays. With EKSA GT1 you won't have syncing issues. The latency doesn't get affected between game and music modes, so no bother that. And yeah, latency will remain the same. Therefore, with EKSA GT1 you will experience a vivid, synchronized, real-time gaming experience, making you enjoy every dialogue. Now I did a mic test, so I did it outside to test the microphone quality, and I also compared it with my Galaxy Buds Pro, but also with just a smartphone. Let's have a look at that. Right everybody, we are outdoor to test the mic quality of the EKSA GT1. So I have connected it through my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. There could be a high ratio of signal to noise ratio using this mic because they are next to me. What I hear is a total isolation from the surroundings. Not sure how it sounds. Can't wait to export this on my laptop. But yeah, this is how the EKSA GT1 sounds. I'm also going to compare it against my Galaxy Buds Pro, but also against the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra that is staying away from me like 3 meters away. Okay, right now you're hearing to the Galaxy Buds Pro earbuds. Here are the EKSA GT1. With this, the isolation is not as immersive as with the GT1, so you're more conscious about the surroundings and it feels more natural. So this is how the audio of the mic quality of the Galaxy Buds Pro sounds like. Now I'm going to switch sides and just use the mic of the Galaxy S21 Ultra that's staying away from me like 3 meters away. There I have my 2 earbuds that I was comparing with each other, and right now you're hearing just through my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, keeping the same loudness of my voice. So this is how it sounds using. How about battery life? Battery life on this is impressive. For each full charge, the earbuds should last at around 6 hours alone. I did some tests. I listened to music on YouTube through my laptop, and guess what? It really topped close to 6 hours, and I was impressed. While you also have to consider also the charging carrying case that offers up to 6 full charges, hence giving you 36 hours playtime in total. It takes me weeks before recharging the case, so the EKSA GT1 earbuds simply last forever. One feature that I love is also the illumination that rests on around the case. Practically after use you put your earbuds to the carrying case and the RGB lighting turns on. Now the illumination on bars will stay up without dimming until the earbuds get fully charged and then turn off automatically. So you'll know your earbuds are 100% recharged, and doesn't take much for them to also get fully recharged. Love it. As you can see right now, they are still recharging, and that's why the illumination bars are still on. Now what about downsides? Now one drawback is that the GT1 doesn't feel natural for talking on the phone. When I speak, it's like you're inside a glass and hear to yourself, and this creates sort of a confusion. They isolate too much of the surroundings, are made for gamers that want to isolate themselves inside without being bothered from their loved ones. But to be honest, I wouldn't use them for too long on the phone. Though the voice when the caller hears me sounds clear and loud to him, but doesn't feel natural to me, so that's one. Now, it's hard to find other drawbacks when considering the budget price this retail, 44 euros. Though there's another one, and this is more design flow. So when you open the case, the right and the left channels are carved in black design while being in a black board, meaning zero contrast, right? Hence hard to see. Same on the inside of the earbuds, the same thing. I mean, I would have liked to see more contrast in them simply for higher, better visibility. Maybe, you know, simply putting white letters instead, but I understand they have gone all black. And now to conclude all this, nice earbuds for a price, I do agree. The EKSA GT1 right now, I was looking at the web, it retails for 44 euros. EKSA's offering holds pretty well against the competition, and I guess it's worth it, worth the money, worth every penny. Now, why you should buy it? If you care about sound quality and mic quality, especially mic quality, this will be your best budget choice. If you play games in your smartphone or laptop, or just like to listen to general music, also music with bass, in addition for podcasts, right? For those who go to the gym, yeah, this fits the bill. Battery life is absolutely amazing again, will do more than enough as your daily drivers. If you want this mainly for placing calls, then look somewhere else, because EKSA GT1 doesn't give you that pleasure while being on the phone. The EKSA GT1 earbuds are made with a prior focus on gaming and watching videos or TV shows or listening to music, and they do their job great. This will do it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Hopefully you found the video interesting. Let me know about any questions you might have in the comment section below. And also, if you're interested to buy the EKSA GT1, please check the links I've left in the description below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm Henry. Have a good one out there. Bye bye.